morning. Joe and I got here early. We met at the shop at 5:30, got on the road. Wire mesh, rebar all lining the driveway right where we need it. As we're pulling the mixer back, we fire that in and get going. It's nice talking like this. I can sort of tell you what we're going to do, and then in the heat of the battle and the noise when you can't hear me talking, then oh yeah, I remember he said, you know, working underneath the chute, trying to get the wire in. You know, we try and space it out, keep it right where we want it, so the guys aren't running all the way out here to the trailer to get a piece of wire. You know, keep everything up there where we need it. But also notice it's back about 2 feet, so you can walk there, floating the edge without tripping on it. Steve's on his way here right now. We brought a load of number 2s in, and I'm just going to dust this. We have some 6s, some 7s. Just trying to use the sub base that was here, mixed with some spoils I dug out up top. And I thought I heard him pulling in, that's why I paused. Yep, here he comes. Backing right in. I got plenty of room right here. I can spin around, making sure that straight back. Good, Steve. We haven't had rain. I take that back. We got a little rainstorm the other night, but it has been so dry. Oh well. Oh, I see. Pull ahead. Pull ahead. Yep. He didn't want the stone to run over the edge. Good thinking. Okay. All right. Let's get this spread. Mixer is due in 20 minutes. Tony is here, mixing up bright and early. I love it. And did I mention it is Friday? I think we're topping out at 200 yards this week. So we're ready for this day to be over. Looking good. All right, 20 yards like I said earlier. I can't remember if I said or not. We got 20. 1, 2, 3, that's 10 yards right in this area. 10 will get us down to there. Easy finish up, second round. I might even get coffee and donuts coming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How much money do you think we made on this job? I can't afford that. I was just telling the guys, when you see wood like this pitching out of there, we don't want that floating up in the concrete. I don't think I've ever been so happy this summer to see a weekend. I did take a leave last night. I use a leave one time right before golf to loosen up my back. It was a lot of straight edging yesterday in the heat. 20 yards. I'll go get the camera plugged in, grab a sip of coffee. We're in good shape. Parked the other day and there were a gaggle of geese all just walking in a row, and you guys remind me of that. Hey, get me this. Like one by one, y'all just follow. Like, look at this. Spread out, guys. Come on, spread out.
Hey, if I can learn from somebody else's mistakes instead of my own, I'll do it.
You're doing better than most.
Elliot didn't actually make a mistake before the ski.
Oh, so Elliot messed it up.
No, I did. He said no, Elliot didn't.
It was Matt's fault.
It was Matt's fault.
I'll take it.
What do you think about that, Matt?
It's usually Matt's fault, I heard. It's just a trend. What I do.
All right. There we are. A nice soft broom mark. This project is winding down. Our last truck heading this way as I eat my morning breakfast protein bar and wave it in front of the camera. Once we get it all finished, on this one we're not doing our finished tooled joints. This is just straight broom, more of a commercial, more of a modern look for this type of house up there. So a little bit more work on the finish. We need to clean it up and make sure our joints are all clean and true, looking good and edged. If that's all sloppy and we broom it, then it doesn't look very good. Let's get, see how he just walked on the driveway? Let's get caution tape and a couple of pins above morning pour so everybody knows not to walk on the driveway today, right there.
Are you coming back with it? Should I use rebar or do you want any pins?
Use something we can leave, even 2 buckets. Put 2 buckets in there. Don't leave them on the concrete, because as the concrete dries, you'll see that ring. Yeah. You can leave 2 buckets, caution tape, and that'll save a disaster.
What I do? All right, so me and Steve, we're putting color on the border.
You're being paid to film, not narrate.
Oh, okay.
Narrate. Do a good job at it.
And then we're gonna seal it after. And I think he wants me to hold the sprayer, so I'm gonna do that. You want the other border for that? No. No, it doesn't. Kind of dark, Steve.
It's coming out really dark.
Okay, okay. It's pretty dark.
If you let the sprayer sit around too long with color in it,
It gets to the bottom.
Settles to the bottom.
Someone's calling me right now. I think the concrete might be here. Yeah, I think Tom's calling me. I think the concrete's here.
Well then, pick it up.
Okay, Saturday Mass is letting out. We got a line of cars here. Home stretch, getting our last couple of cuts in. We have tried flying groovers. Good. We've tried flying groovers, torpedo cutters. We cannot get any straighter than this. I don't know how the guys on YouTube do it. I see Victory out there doing it. I see Grub, J&M, Mike Day, Odell. I don't know how to get them that straight with a hand groover. Okay, so what we're doing here, this takes a lot of abuse. We do our corner cuts, center cut. We don't end that center cut. We take it to a Y off of there. So the guys are going to get that in. I'll show you what it looks like right here. One we did 2 or 3 years ago. Center cut doesn't end. It goes in a Y off to the side. Now a hairline crack, maybe we'll follow it off of there. Our corner cuts, same. As you roll over these corners, they flex. Nothing. We do put rebar in them as well. Okay, I gotta get down here and help. Just wanted to show you what it looks like after it's broomed after a couple of years. Busy road. There was nobody here 15 minutes ago. Okay, they're on the center now. Landscapers are here.
feet, exactly.
There's our number right there.
That's it, Jim?
Yep, good.
Yeah, I'm going in there a little more square.
I like that.
Check it from the other side.
Right there. Do that. That's what we'll do. A little bit off, looks good. All right, good. I'll get these corners going. Joe, did Elliot just yell at you?
Yeah.
At the truck?
He did. From down the street, too. Yeah.
You give a guy a little bit of power, look what happens. Hey, I'm proud of you.
Must be nice to hear that. Yeah, but you never told that to Steve, huh? Must be really nice to hear that.
Oh, hey, I didn't know you were behind me.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
You're like the son I never had, Elliot. That's...
Finally says what we were all thinking.
Just in fun. Okay, final touches up here. We'll get this sealed. Just a quick coat of our Butterfield Clear Guard on the border. Really complement this. And I really like this in relation to the trim on the house, the pillars. It's going to tie it in this. There's a piece of it out in the sun and then in the shade. Wonder what you can see better. Doesn't that look nice? So the whole walk is 5 feet wide going up to that front door. I like what we did up here. keeping the broom marks on the center pad and border all the way around it. And that looks sharp. Ties it into the front porch. Looks good. Okay, head down, and I think they're about wrapped up. Okay, just put the SRT on it. You can see dry in minutes. It goes on a bluish white. When it's dry, you don't even know it's there. That gives it really good protection. It helps it dry slower. The new concrete, you want it to dry nice and slow. The slower it dries, the stronger it gets. Okay, I've got all my stuff gathered up. We are out of here. There's another 50 bucks we're leaving behind. These cones used to be like $6. Price of everything. Except for my price. I can't raise my price. Alright, gentlemen, ready to call it a week?
Yep.
Let's do it. I said I was going to eat lunch, they all jumped in my truck. We'll switch trucks and take the other one. Yeah, I got to get in there yet. Smells like German Shepherds in here.